In today's video, I am going to teach you how to crop images into shapes in Figma. First, open your design so you have a file ready to work in. We'll cover two reliable ways to do this. A masking method that's perfect for custom or complex shapes, and a fill method that's great when you want a quick single-layer result without extra groups. Let's start with the masking method. Add your image to the design so it sits on the canvas. Now draw the shape you want to use as the crop. This could be an ellipse, a rectangle, or a polygon using the shape tools in the toolbar. In the Layers panel, place the shape below the image. Order matters here. The shape needs to sit beneath the image for the mask to work correctly. Next, select both the image and the shape layers together. Right-click and choose Use as Mask. Instantly, your image is cropped to that shape, and Figma creates a mask group so everything stays editable. To fine-tune it, double-click the shape to adjust its position and size within the image. You can drag to reposition, resize the bounds, or tweak the shape's properties, like corner radius on rectangles or the number of sides on polygons, to refine the crop. If the image isn't framed the way you want, you can also move the image layer inside the mask group while keeping the shape fixed. This approach is ideal when you are combining multiple shapes, building unconventional silhouettes, or when you want separate layers for precise control and future edits. Now, the fill method for a fast, clean setup. Create the shape you want to use. Any basic shape works. With the shape selected, look to the right hand design panel and click on Fill. Change the fill type from solid to image. Then click Choose Image and select your photo. By default, the image may fill the shape in a way that doesn't show the right area. Open the Image Settings drop-down and switch the mode from Fill to Crop. You'll see blue handles appear around the image area. Drag those handles to define exactly what you want visible inside the shape, and drag the image to reposition it within that crop. This keeps everything on a single layer, which is perfect for quick UI elements, avatars, or badges. When you don't need a separate mask group, that's all to it. Thanks for watching.